Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to hide Parakeet AI step by step. So let's get started. First, it's important to understand that the Parakeet AI is designed to run as an invisible on-screen overlay. It works at the system level, which means its floating window, icons, and background processes are generally hidden from screen recordings, screen sharing, and even camera capture tools. Now, if you want to make sure Parakeet AI stays completely hidden and undetectable during use, follow these steps carefully. First, always use the desktop app instead of the web version. Download and launch the Parakeet AI desktop application on your laptop. The desktop version is more stable and better optimized for hidden overlay functionality compared to browser usage. Next, when you are in a video interview or meeting such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet, be very careful with your screen sharing settings. Instead of selecting Share Entire Screen, always choose Share Specific Window or Share tab. This ensures only one application is visible while Parakeet AI stays hidden in the background. Another important step is adjusting your Zoom settings. Make sure you are using the latest version of Zoom. Also, avoid dragging Parakeet AI into visible areas of your screen while sharing. Keep it minimized or in the background so it does not interfere with active windows.